Attractive. Durable. Rust-free. Be unique with Atlanta unique wall and ceiling panel. The clubhouse of Caliraya Springs Golf Club incorporated a wooden ceiling, which has shown signs of decay and occasional termite infestation over the course of the past 20 years. This year, the clubhouse underwent a major renovation. The management decided to use Atlanta unique wall and ceiling panel to replace the wood ceilings. Advantages: excellent weatherability. PVC materials are excellent substitute for special condition like coastal areas. Rotting and corrosion will never be a problem. Anti-fungi property. PVC won't allow any bacterial development on the panels. Pest resistant. The material of PVC wall and ceiling made it termite and pest proof. Maintenance free. With its closed smooth surface, Atlanta PVC wall ceiling is very easy to clean using household detergents. Panels are pre-painted so you can worry less about paint fading over time. Waterproof. Atlanta PVC wall ceiling is waterproof. This does not expand, contract or warp when they come in water. Easy to install. PVC wall ceiling is easy to install, saving installation costs on labor. Durable. Since this is made from high-grade PVC, the panels are durable and lasts more than 20 years. This surpasses the service life of wood and steel counterpart. Aesthetically attractive. Available in wide spectrum of colors and astounding finishes to fit your taste and style.
Si Architect Bebenzo Soriano, project ko tong clubhouse renovation sa Caliraya, Cavite, Laguna. Before to, bago ko siya nire-renovate, nakita ko to puro may damage ng anay yung mga ceiling kasi before to kahoy siya. Ngayon, nung in-apply namin si PVC Atlanta, yung panel board nila, maganda kasi yung performance ng PVC. Maganda sa performance kahit na tumagal siya, hindi siya basta-basta nagpe-fade. Lalo outdoor or indoor siya. Pero supposed to be yung product talaga ni Atlanta, maganda lalo to pag nakita mo yung finish namin. Yun yung isa sa mga na-consider ko na ipapalit namin sa wood paneling. Supposed to be yung PVC panel, mabilis naman siya install. Gagamitan mo lang siya ng paring, tapos pwede mo na siya may kabit. Hindi, unlike before, puro kahoy. Matrabaho yung kahoy kaysa sa metal paring. So, PVC panel na Atlanta, madali mo naman install kaysa sa kahoy. Kasi yung sa kahoy, lahat ng frame puro kahoy yan. At saka yung wood, isa-set up mo. Ang PVC, mas madali mo siyang i-set up. For example, ang kahoy abutin ng 1 linggo, kung ganito kalaki abutin ng 3 weeks, dito abutin lang almost 2 weeks.
Discover the unique beauty of your wall and ceiling with Atlanta unique wall and ceiling panel.